All right, here's another bike check video. It's my Taller 360. Starting from the front, ODI super soft long neck grips, stock GT 4-piece bars, Hoffman stem, Sunday fork, integrated headset, Shadow, Odyssey C5 wheels or hubs, and then Odyssey Quadrant rims, stock Sunday tire. Into the middle, got kink seat, stealth pivotal, Mission stealth pivotal post. Down a little bit more, we got Odyssey twisted plastic pedals, Eastern nitrous cranks. It's hard to see that. Black Ops 28 tooth sprocket, Shadows interlock chain. Moving back a little bit more, got Colt Vans camo tire, another Odyssey C5 hub, and Odyssey Quadrant rim again. And yeah, that's what it is so far. My Taller 360 bike. Yeah.